Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on designating the spaces by room tagging in Revit. Capricorn Technologies Private Limited is now a part of Arkins Group, serving widely in adoption of computer-aided design solution and its integrated workflows. Myself, Anurag Pamnani, the solution specialist for architecture at Capricorn Technologies. In this insight, we will be covering first defining the closed and enclosed spaces by rooms and then applying the room tag to it. Second, we would be looking at editing the family type as per the essential information required. And third, we will be looking at applying the legends to a plan, indicating the clear spaces and making the drawing more representable. So let's just move on to the live demo now. So here I am onto my user interface screen of the software, and what we are going to look at is tagging a room. So eventually when working on an CAD drawings, so we used to prefer to put text on the particular rooms or defined spaces. So here we have an option of working with text. So let's see how this tool works and how it makes our work easier. So I can just go on to architecture and I have this room option over here. I can select and you can see I can place this text over here. So it eventually picks the defined boundaries and this. Suppose for now I have placed all these texts. So right now, as soon as I move nearby to my defined area, I can pick this text area. Right now, you can see there is no option of have to display the names of the defined space. So what can I do is, again, I'm going to the architecture department, and over here I can see the tag down the rooms. Okay, now you see, as soon as I bring it to this nearby to the space, you can see an automatic tag space has been created. And we just need to edit those tags space, and you can see further that the it also defined the areas with respect to space, right? So this is how it makes our work very easier by just tagging it down. And now I can say this is my bedroom. Okay, and suppose this becomes my master bedroom, and I can tag this as my store area. I can say common uh, common wash, and this can be my dress, and this is attached wash. And this area is suppose my drawing area. So under the plan, we have defined those spaces, and over the text, you can see there are four different sort of informations present to us. That is the number which the tag contains, the drawing area, which is the area specific related to our defined space, and it gives the area which is 34 meters square, which is in square feet as well. So how does this tags work? So this tag is actually in family, and as soon as I double click here, so you can see a family dialog box appears. So this is all the information that is applicable to the room or a defined space. So I can say I don't need this room numbers over there. Okay, I just need to display this and these areas. I can choose on editing label, to add or delete particular area with respect to it. So here you can see an area is added with 150 square feet of an area, right? And similarly, if I choose this and go on to edit level, you can see area which is 1500 meters square of an area. So likewise, these values are added. If you need to add certain more aspects to it, you can add. Suppose I have just removed one of the aspect, okay, which is the room number, and I can just load it into a project now. And I can say override the existing version. So you see already within the family, if I delete that and override it onto my project, now the information has changed. It doesn't took any number with respect to those defined spaces. So it has removed those numbers. If I need to add it, again, I can go onto my family and I can choose this down and I can have an option of create label and I can just click over here and I can add something related to its number, right? With its name. So name is already there. Which level? Suppose in which level does it contains? I need this as well with my tag. Okay. And I can choose apply and okay. Now the level option has been here and I can shift it over here that I need the information like this. Now load it into the project. Override the existing version. Now you can see within this family, the level has also been appeared over here. That this is level 0 I am talking about. And one more thing with respect to its presentation, you can whatsoever you have tagged it down, you can bring it in a form of legends here directly. You don't need to type text again and again. So what you need to do is go on to annotate tab and here we have the colorful legends option and you can bring it down. So this is what it asks, the space type, which was we have tagged the room, so it is rooms, and I need it by room name. So I can choose OK. So now you see it has brought different areas together with different colorization. So it helps in representation also. In this way, it makes our work more easier, more presentable, and we have to do quite less with respect to doing texting, copying, and pasting. Hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insight on upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the updates. Do reach out to us for any query or suggestion. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.